Georgia's utility regulators are allowing construction to continue on 2 new nuclear reactors, despite massive cost overruns for the multi-billion-dollar project. Thursday's unanimous decision by the state's Public Service Commission will shape the future of the nation's nuclear industry, partly because the reactors at Plant Vogtle were the first new ones to be licensed and to begin construction in the U.S. since 1978. The project, co-owned by Georgia Power, Oglethorpe Power, Meade Power, and Dalton Utilities, has been plagued by delays and spiraling costs, compounded when the main contractor filed for bankruptcy. Westinghouse Electric Co., the U.S. nuclear unit of Japan's Toshiba Corp., filed for bankruptcy in March. Georgia Gov. Nathan Deal praised the PSC's decision. Investing in clean, sustainable energy infrastructure is a worthwhile endeavor that will have a positive economic impact as well, Deal said in a statement shortly after Thursday's vote. It is important that we stay the course, he added. The Sierra Club, meanwhile, slammed the vote, calling the project a disaster. Ted Terry, director of the group's Georgia chapter, said the project should have been halted. But Georgia Power said the PSC decision was important to the energy future of Georgia and the U.S. In a statement, Georgia Power Chairman, President, and CEO Paul Bowers said the PSC recognized that the Vogtle expansion is key to ensuring that our state has affordable and reliable energy today that will support economic growth now and for generations to come. Officials say the PSC vote means Georgia consumers will pay more for power, starting in 2021. Public Service Commission spokesman Bill Edge said Thursday he's still ascertaining how much that will be. Following the PSC's meeting Thursday, Commissioner Tim Echols estimated rates would rise by 10% after the plant is completed. However, Edge says PSC Chairman Stan Wise predicted it will be more like 8%. Georgia Power spokesman Craig Bell said in an email that the projected peak rate impact to the utility's retail customers is approximately 10%, but 5% related to the project is already factored into customers' bills. David Schlissel, a utility consultant and analyst who has previously testified against Vogtle, criticized Thursday's vote, saying regulators were letting Georgia Power and its parent, the Southern Company, off the hook. The Commission's own monitors have identified that Southern mismanaged the project, he said. Now the Commission is giving them unanimous approval to spend even more money. He added, in Georgia, you apparently have commissioners who are fine having ratepayers shovel money into a bottomless pit. The reactors, approved in 2012, were initially estimated to cost a total of $14 billion. Regulators tried to make nuclear reactors easier to build, encouraging the use of off-the-shelf designs that could get approval in advance. New construction techniques were supposed to require less in-the-field assembly, making building quicker and reducing human error. But by July 2012, the reactors had run into over $800 million in extra charges related to licensing delays.